Hey guys, welcome back to XTRONS. Today we're going to talk about the XTRONS CM179A roof monitor. I've got 4 kids and needed a budget van, so I went with a Ford Transit Tourneo 2011. However, when it comes to tech, it's pretty outdated. To fix that, I'm installing the XTRONS CM179A roof monitor in it and looking forward to upgrading the van with XTRON's flagship Android head unit. So let's get started. The installation process wasn't that easy on the Transit. I had to remove the headliner, which was a real challenge. The clips were so strong you could practically lift the van with them. A lot of the clips ended up breaking when I removed them, but in the end I managed to get the headliner off. The next big question was how to mount the monitor on the roof. Many people just place the installation metal bracket between the roof and the headliner, but that's not very stable. Instead, I decided to drill a few holes into the support bar and use rivets to securely mount the base plate of the roof monitor. It worked really well, and now it's rock solid. My Transit has rear climate control, which means I couldn't center the roof monitor due to the ventilation nozzles. So I installed the monitor slightly off to the right. It's not a big deal, I can still use the rear view mirror to drive safely on the German Autobahn, and the kids can comfortably watch movies or play games. I didn't connect the roof monitor to the main speakers because I wanted to listen to music while the kids watch movies using the built-in roof monitor speakers. I also installed a USB and HDMI connectors into the dashboard side trim, so it's easy to connect the storage drive with movies or even hook up my laptop for a bigger screen experience. Sure, if you have a PSP or Xbox, you can game with them too if you find a solution for the power surge. To power the roof monitor, you will need to connect 3 main wires: the ACC, which is red, ground, which is black, and the B+, which is yellow. I'm using a power fuse to make these connections. To find the correct fuse, use a multimeter to measure voltage. If you get a reading when the ignition is off, that's your B+. If the voltage only shows when the ignition is on, that's your ACC. For the ground connection, locate the screw that's fixed securely into the vehicle's chassis. If you would like to use your vehicle's main audio speakers, connect the left and right RCA connectors. Additionally, to mirror the screen from your XTRONS Android head unit, connect the Video 1 and Video 2 RCA inputs to your radio. Now let's dive into the features. The CM179A runs on Android OS, which is fantastic. I can easily download games from the Google Play Store and even connect a Bluetooth game controller. This gives the kids the option to play games while we are on the road, or they can simply relax and watch movies. The display is stunning: 17.3-inch Full HD IPS panel with support for HDR10+. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is impressive, making it a great entertainment system, especially with the built-in Wi-Fi module. I can download apps, games, and even movies directly from Google Play Movies. Additionally, you can use a 4G module to connect the monitor to the internet when Wi-Fi isn't available. On the hardware side, the CM179A comes equipped with 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage, and an octa-core processor. Everything runs smooth, ensuring a seamless experience. It also features integrated speakers so the kids can enjoy their movies or games without the need for external sound system. Meanwhile, I can listen to my music without any interruptions. The unit also includes stylish LED lighting, and the remote control makes managing the system super easy. To wrap up things, if you're in the market for a high quality roof monitor with tons of features to keep your family entertained on long drives, the XTRONS CM179A is an excellent choice. It's especially great if you have kids who get bored on road trips. This roof monitor will help pass the time effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming Android radio installation in this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.